Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Hands up who remembers you have a calculator app on your Mac. Probably quite a few of you. Now keep your hands up if you think that the app is really powerful and could do an awful lot of stuff. It's probably not as many now. Well, it actually can. Now I'm no mathematician or programmer, but when I came to do what I thought was going to be a very quick outline for this video, I was surprised at how much this little gem can do. Okay, I've opened the calculator just through a spotlight search. And it doesn't look like much, does it? And at first glance, it really isn't. You can use your cursor to key in a math sum, or you can use the keyboard. I'll type in 5 multiplied by 4, then press return to get the sum of 20. Now there are buttons here to make the number positive or negative. You can calculate a percentage, but in this view, that's pretty much it. In this view, that's the key word. If I come up to the view menu here, we've got 2 other views available, scientific and programming. And they have easy keyboard shortcuts to flip between them as well, Command 1, 2, and 3 respectively. Let's take a look at scientific first. I'll just move this across. And let's unearth another little gem before we move much further. If I come up to Window, and then select Show Paper Tape, we've got an awesome little paper trail of our calculations that we've made, which in scientific mode especially is a really useful thing. So the scientific mode has a lot of buttons here, and I'm not going to go through them all, mainly because I don't know what they all do. I only know what around 3/4 of them are for, if I'm honest. So we have parentheses up here. I'll tap one, then put in a quick calculation and close the bracket there. And we can see that appears on the paper tape as well. Now, if I finish with, say, multiplied by 3, that does indeed equal 9. Nice. And we have an audit trail on the right there to be able to bear that out. Okay, let's clear that. And next to the parentheses, there are 4 memory buttons. So we have memory recall, subtract from memory, add to memory, and clear the memory. So you can add numbers into the memory and they will accumulate until such a time as you clear it. So let's do a very simple example. I'll type in 100, then I'll tap to add that to memory. So our memory value at the moment is 100. Now I'll type 40. I'll add that to memory. So the memory value is now 140. Let's put in 20 now. And this time I'll subtract that from the memory, which gives us a running total of 120. And now let's clear this entry field completely. All gone. I'll type in 80, then plus. Then I'll press the MR button to recall the memory, which was 120. And then if I press equals, there is our calculation complete. So that's how the memory function works. It did take me quite a while, I must admit, to get that. To be fair, I'm not a mathematician and I never use a scientific calculator, not since I left school.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.